Pretty good, pretty good. Okay, so this is a good entry. I entered right here. Right now it's up about $5,100. The target on that's actually 28,000.
Holy cow.
We've been in a downtrend. The market shot lower here, but we can see that the volume on the open is much lower than it was yesterday. We can kind of just put this little box down here and see there's a lot less volume on the open than the day prior. So that means the move's not likely to be sustained. There's not more trading activity as we're coming down. So that means we're likely to get a pullback somewhere, or this longer term downtrend might not be sustained.
Now we are getting into the good stuff.
Also on an intermediate time frame, we have this as our B structure. Volume profile is accumulated down here, and now we've come up above that, and we're accepting above the high volume node in the B structure.
What are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel.
If the market's going to be heavy short entries, that's likely to hold. We come up here and we spend some time up here in this area here, so we've accepted above that. So we have a day where we're likely to get a pullback. We have a break of a 5-minute or roughly 5-minute structure. And then we have the market.
Redacted proprietary information.
Right now it's bouncing between the VWAP that was placed at the close of yesterday. So we had a little range here. Now we're pushing again higher. This was the VWAP tracking from the whole day yesterday, and that's above the top of this impulse, or the start of this impulse. So that would be probably a better place to take profits there. As we have the market coming up here, again, we're accepting above this. We're going to go find the top of this range. This could be the start of the reversal. We'd have to have the market accept above here for some time. We're likely to get a pullback off of this. Just people selling limits, people selling the resistance from the accumulation up.
That ended up happening exactly as described in the overnight market.
We do have to clear this. We have to clear a lot of these purple lines. I won't go into why they're drawn, but we have to come up here and spend some time up here. Whether that spends time here or then continues to trend up is going to tell us whether or not we're going to get a major reversal from this bigger, longer term downtrend.
Now, for the stock traders.
Stocks, a good idea during these downtrends is to look for stocks that haven't pulled back or even gone up, that show that there's not a lot of institutional selling and that the price is pretty stable. When the market does start to reverse, those are going to be the ones that are likely to actually go. And then we look for a reversal on the major structures, the major overall market. Once the overall market turns around, then you can enter those positions, and then you're much more likely to succeed. No matter how good your stock is, unless it's a complete outlier, which most are not, you can't really buy in a downtrend and expect wonderful performance. But you can see that if you're timing the overall market here and you have good technical indicators, that you can enter a trade right here. And we're up 13,000 on 5 contracts in 8 minutes. It's pretty good. So how do we take these principles of the overall market and the structures there and then apply them to you as somebody who trades in stocks and not Nasdaq futures? Well, that's your indication.
What are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel.
Profit target. From a trading system standpoint, it might be a good idea to trail the stop here. We're just going to let it play out and see if we get that 23,000.
Holy cow, we did. Now like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Pretty good.